You need to hear this if you're a chief or second engineer looking for real rewarding offshore work. No recruitment fees, just direct contracts with top global ship owners. Join a company with over a century of maritime heritage and a reputation for treating seafarers right. Candina Group is hiring chief and second engineers for top offshore roles. No hidden fees, just transparent direct employment. Chief engineers, we've got PSV vessels offering $350 per day, 60-60 rotations, and immediate embarkation. Second engineers, choose between PSV with $210 per day or AHTS non-DP in Saudi Arabia at $150 per day plus 30% standby wages. If you have a valid KOC, DPM, solid diesel electric or Caterpillar Shin Myanmar experience, and a Marlin score above 70%, we want to hear from you. Send your documents and evaluations. Your next great contract starts here. Apply now with Candina Group, where experience meets opportunity.